Welcome to the ZoneTraderPro introduction video. ZoneTraderPro is the best pattern matching software available. ZoneTraderPro identifies 5 different types of patterns, including topping patterns, trending patterns, reversal patterns, and divergence patterns. New in NinjaTrader version 8 is order flow pattern matching. ZoneTraderPro now identifies 7 powerful order flow patterns and 2 real-time strength indicators. What sets ZoneTraderPro apart from the rest is all the ZoneTraderPro indicators are based on real-time information. These indicators make it easy to spot divergences and market manipulation. ZoneTraderPro is also unique in other ways. How many times have you bought a software product because you saw a webinar and the static charts look great? Then on Monday, after you've paid for the software, come to find that signals and markers redraw when a trade loses. Since day one, ZoneTraderPro was created to be able to back test your ideas on a static chart. This means that you will not see any disappearing trading signals. This has been a ZoneTraderPro philosophy since it was created in 2005. Another unique feature of the ZoneTraderPro matching software is the ability to tell you in advance where the market price may trade at. ZoneTraderPro does this by projecting the next zone. As you can see in this example here, on this bar here, we started to project the blue zone down here, which would have been our target. This allows you to set a target as soon as possible and be at the front of the queue. ZoneTraderPro has a unique and exclusive indicator called the delta strength. With the delta strength indicator, we can visually see the strength of a move and filter that number so that only large trades are considered. In this case, if the order flow pattern is indicating either strong buying or strong selling, then the target can be adjusted to the next target zone. The delta strength indicator was already a 100% unique indicator to ZoneTraderPro. However, with a recent update, the delta strength indicator has become even more powerful. ZoneTraderPro is now able to filter for the order size. This is tremendously important because NinjaTrader only reports the size of the fill. The size of the fill is completely useless information. The size of the order is what the trader needs to know. Now you can see when large traders enter a market. No other software offers this ability. I want to show you some highly unusual buying activity which occurred before Christmas 2018 when the market was in a severe downturn. Starting on December 21st at the open, a buyer amassed 7,000 contracts. The ZoneTraderPro cumulative delta indicator has been also updated with this technology. Notice how the large lot traders are accumulating positions before price skyrockets. After this accumulation, the market rose 37 points. Continuing through the day, this trader continued to build a position as price traded down. And at the close on the 21st, this large lot trader bought even more. The trader finished building his position at the close on December 24th. And again, notice the cumulative delta rising as large lot traders look to enter positions in a falling market. This buyer with extremely deep pockets was making trades and accumulating a huge position, 500 contracts at a time. This is activity never before seen with this indicator. And then on December 26th, the S&P closed over 115 points higher. This trader wasn't able to hide his activity from ZoneTraderPro. This new ability of the delta strength indicator and the cumulative delta indicator has translated into the strongest trade entry signal that you're going to find on the market. The ZoneTraderPro exhaustion trading pattern is a pattern that usually occurs after a strong market move without any retracement. This first retracement is the opportunity for retail traders to enter the perceived trend. Unfortunately for them, the program trade that started the trend is over. The market found value and profit taking has started. The pattern and indicator work on all markets. It's very common to see this with the tick divergence pattern. Tick divergence is different because it's a real-time measurement of buyers and sellers in the NYSE cash market. The divergence is created when the smart money traders try to get retail traders to enter into a move after it's been exhausted. The additional trading in the futures is not supported in the cash market. As a result, you see a higher average win with these trades. You will see either pattern develop independently, but when the patterns are combined, the results are even better, because the exhaustion is usually marking the market top or market bottom. Thus, we see these trades go from blue zone to blue zone, as in this trading example. What is interesting about this pattern here is how the ZoneTraderPro order flow and delta strength indicators put you into the first trade at this point here and told you that you should not be taking the second long trade tick divergence exhaustion trade down here. As we can see by the delta strength number, we had selling coming in at that point, and those sellers were large contract traders. The ZoneTraderPro trend trading pattern is a basic trading pattern of the system. The theory behind the trend trading pattern is that when a trend is established, the market will continue in the direction of that trend, following the pattern of profit taking and trend resumption. ZoneTraderPro prints these areas of support and resistance in advance of the market trading at these points. If you know where these zones are in advance, you can set limit orders at these zones. The blue counter trend zones are defined in advance of the market trading there. This is important because traders will want to place their target to take profit from the trade. It's extremely important to note that 50% of the time the market approaches a blue counter trend zone, but price does not trade through that zone, and the market retraces at least 6 ticks. Why give up 6 ticks of profit because you didn't know the zone? What sets ZoneTraderPro apart from other software is its order flow pattern matching when combined with price patterns. ZoneTraderPro identifies 7 different types of order flow patterns and 2 real-time strength indicators. The strongest of the signals is the point and control signal, which identifies where there's been either an absorption, as we have in this trade, or an extension or exhaustion, as we had in this trade. These trades are significant because they normally mark reversals in a market. On a smaller time frame, there is a ZTP order flow and exhaustion signals that are extremely powerful and useful in timing a trade of an established pattern, such as the tick divergence pattern up here and the trend pattern down here. These are the same charts, but this is a faster time frame with the chart on the right. ZoneTraderPro also has several exclusive indicators that you will not find anywhere else. They are the delta strength and the cumulative delta. What makes these indicators special is that they use tape reconstruction filtering. Tape reconstruction filtering builds the time in sales and assembles the information based on order size and not the fill size. This is extremely important. A more detailed explanation of this can be found on the ZTP cumulative delta order flow page, which you can find under the order flow tab and then ZTP cumulative delta. In here I explain the entire theory behind tape reconstruction filtering and why it's necessary for the markets that we are trading and why it provides additional information that you're not going to have through any other source. As we can see from this example here, as the market traded higher, the larger traders trading between 25 and 150 contracts were actually net sellers, where the retail traders trading between 1 and 7 contracts were actually the buyers. We also see at the entry to the trade, we have a point of control absorption, and at the exhaustion trade, we have a point of control extension order flow pattern. ZoneTraderPro also has the exclusive delta strength indicator with tape reconstruction, which is this number in the red ball here. The delta strength is not the delta of the bar. The delta strength tool is exclusive and proprietary to ZoneTraderPro, and when placed on a point and figure chart and then used in conjunction and combination with the order flow and price patterns, it gives you a complete market picture. This is what is meant by putting it all together. The ZoneTraderPro trading plan involves a 4-step process. The first process that we look at is the 500 tick chart for a known and established pattern. As you can see, the market's trading live as I'm recording this video. We're looking for trades that have an absolute perfect setup, and as you can see, I didn't have to look long to find one. Once we have a pattern on the 500 tick chart, We look at this 150 tick chart to make sure we don't see anything giving us high risk. ZoneTrader Pro provides training and a video specifically defining how we identify anything that is high risk. In this trade, we did not identify any high risk trading problems. Next, we look at the order flow chart for an order flow pattern and to see if delta strength is present. As you can see, we had excellent order flow signals along with an extremely strong filtered delta strength number. Lastly, we look at the point and figure chart with the delta strength indicator applied. In this trade, we see an extremely strong delta strength number marking the low. What we are looking for on this chart is divergence. We are looking for an up bar with negative delta strength and a down bar with positive delta strength. These represent market turning points where large contract traders initiated their trades. ZoneTrader Pro is so confident in this setup that I will offer you a $100 discount on the software if you call me, and I cannot find at least 5 perfect setups worth at least 4 points of profit in the previous day of trading. I'm making this offer because I am confident that if you allow me to demonstrate the system to you, you will see that it is a system that is easy to learn and to trade. All you have to do is make the call and give me 30 minutes of your time. ZoneTrader Pro provides personal one-on-one training and complete unlimited support after the purchase. Complete support means a commitment that we will help you develop a trading plan that can support your trading style. There are 3 phases to the training. Phase 1 involves you learning the terminology and understanding the zones and the patterns. Phase 2 is the application of what you learned using the ZoneTrader Pro real-time toolkit. And the last phase is developing a trading plan. Ask most traders and they will not have a written trading plan. This is a serious mistake that leads to losses. A written trading plan is necessary so that you do not improvise with an unproven strategy while in a real trade. A written trading plan is a game plan for winning at the trading game. Just like a football team would not go into a game without a plan, you should not either. Your trading plan defines what is an entry and an exit. It may also define when it is necessary to tighten a stop or a target, or when it's necessary to move a target for more profit. Training is done on your schedule. If you should have any further questions, please contact me through the contact page on ZoneTraderPro.com, and I will get back to you as soon as possible. Thank you very much for watching and have a good day.